Hello guys, this is Maxwell Covington, and today I'll be showing you guys how to arrange and roll your shirts like this, so they don't take nearly as much space up, and you can also throw them down and they won't even break or anything. As you can see, it's pretty dang sturdy, and as you can see below, you put them in a drawer and fit much more space in there. So if you guys are going on vacation or simply just want to organize your drawer like that, then I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. Alright guys, so here we have one of my typical wonderful shirts, a shirt I got from Hawaii actually. And so this is how I would typically fold it back in the day. Just simply fold it over like that, fold it over like that, and kablam. Nice folded t-shirt, put a whole bunch of them down. But the only problem is I have a ton of t-shirts and they're often falling out. There's so many that they're falling out of that drawer. So, I'm going to show you guys the arrange and roll method that I also use for when I'm going on training. Alright, so first of all, get your shirt flat out like that. Then you're going to take the bottom, you're going to fold it up roughly 2 or 3 inches. You don't want it to be like 1 inch because this is what's going to be folding over to hold the whole shirt together. So 2 to 3 inches is what I recommend and what seemed to work best for me. Alright, once you get this side pretty leveled out, pretty nice, and you fold it up, you're going to want to do the back side as well. Alright, so we got both sides pretty good. And you're going to put it back down, fold the left sleeve in, fold the right sleeve in, take the left side, fold it into the center, make sure this stays lined up on the bottom here. Take the right side, fold it in over the center as well. Should be pretty straight. Then you take it around and flip it around. You take this side, you pinch it and start rolling it as tight as you can. You don't want any air in here at all. Because the tighter you get it, then the less space it's going to take up. Right, so you get it rolled up, and then you get to here, take this little flap right here, and you pull that around the one side, and around this other side. Tuck it in a little bit, and kerblam, there you go. Pretty amazing. Alright, I'll do it one more time so you guys can see it. Alright, so once again you have your shirt, go to the bottom, gonna roll it up. And you want to try to get all the wrinkles out, but this shirt is pretty wrinkly, so you won't be able to get them all out unless you take forever. I don't usually take forever for my stuff. There you go, lined up that way. Lined up in the bottom there. Fold the left sleeve in, fold the right sleeve in, fold the left over the center, right over the center, flip it around, roll it up real quick, holding it tight so you get all that air out of there. Take it, flip it around one side, flip it around the other side, and voila, there you go. Nice little arrange and roll t-shirt. And you can get a whole bunch of these, and it's pretty amazing. It makes packing way easier. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you comment them below, and make sure that you guys go into my community for my YouTube page and vote on what you want to see more of on this YouTube channel. But I'm gonna be gone for about 2 months because got some Army training. So as soon as I get back from there, I'll get back to making more videos, showing you awesome stuff like this. And you guys have a great day, and goodbye.